time, wealth, luck. 3 elements that seem to dictate our lives. But what if I told you there's a way to master them, a way to turn the tables in your favor? Welcome to episode 3, the role of luck, time, wealth, and the process versus the event. In this episode, we'll delve into the intricacies of these elements and how they intertwine in the journey to wealth creation. Many of us believe that wealth is a matter of luck, a random roll of the dice. But the truth is, the wealthiest people in the world didn't just stumble upon their fortunes. They created them. They saw problems in the world and found solutions. They didn't chase money, they chased opportunities. And in doing so, they created their own luck. Take Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the founders of Google. They didn't just get lucky. They identified a need, a more efficient way to navigate the rapidly growing internet. And they created a solution, a search engine that ranks pages based on relevance. Their success wasn't a matter of luck, it was a matter of identifying a problem and creating a valuable solution. But it's not just about identifying a need. It's also about taking action. Many people have great ideas, but few act on them. Page and Brin didn't just identify a need, they took action. They built a prototype, they sought feedback, they iterated on their design. They didn't wait for luck to find them, they went out and created their own luck. And it's not just about creating a solution. It's also about creating value. Google didn't just solve a problem, it created immense value for its users. It made information accessible and useful. It transformed the way we navigate the internet. And in doing so, it created a fortune. Time is the most precious resource we have. Yet, we often trade it for money in jobs that don't fulfill us. But what if we could earn money without sacrificing our time? The key is scalability. By creating solutions that can be scaled, we can generate wealth without being bound by time. Consider Michael Bloomberg. After being laid off from Salomon Brothers, he took his severance pay and started a company that provides financial data to Wall Street firms. His product was scalable. Once the software was developed, it could be sold to any number of firms without requiring additional time or effort from Bloomberg. This scalability allowed him to create wealth without trading his time. But creating a scalable solution isn't just about building a product. It's also about building a team. Bloomberg didn't build his company alone, he built a team. He delegated tasks, he empowered his employees, he built a culture of innovation and excellence. By leveraging the time and talents of his team, he was able to scale his solution and create wealth without sacrificing his time. And it's not just about creating wealth. It's also about creating freedom. Time wealth isn't just about having more money, it's about having more freedom. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, to spend time with your loved ones, to live life on your own terms. It's about creating a life that is not just financially rich, but also rich in time, freedom, and fulfillment. Building wealth is not an event, it's a process. It's not about hitting a jackpot or making a lucky investment. It's about consistently solving problems and adding value to the world. Take Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He didn't become the richest man in the world overnight. It was a process that took decades. He started by selling books online out of his garage. Over time, he expanded to other products, then to digital products, then to cloud services. Each step was a part of the process, a part of the journey to wealth. But it's not just about the steps you take, it's also about the mindset you have. Bezos didn't see setbacks as failures, he saw them as opportunities to learn and improve. He didn't see obstacles as roadblocks, he saw them as challenges to overcome. He embraced the process, and in doing so, he created an empire. And it's not just about creating wealth, it's also about creating impact. Amazon didn't just make Bezos wealthy, it transformed the way we shop. It made products accessible to people in remote areas. It created jobs. It drove innovation. The process of wealth creation isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. So, stop chasing money. Start chasing solutions. Embrace the process, and the wealth will follow. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And your journey to wealth starts now. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into the concept of time wealth and how you can leverage it to create a life of financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. For those who wish to support us further, consider becoming a patron. Your contributions directly help us create more insightful videos. check out our Patreon link in the description. Your support keeps this channel going. Together, we can make knowledge accessible. Thanks for being part of our journey. Until next time.